Creating consistent character with Puclumen is as easy as ABC. So today I'm going to walk you through on how to create consistent character using a Puclumen. So the first thing that you need to do is to have an account with Puclumen, and then you come here to describe your image. So I'm gonna just I'm gonna just paste my prompt on here, and then come here to the aspect ratio. So you need to choose the aspect ratio of your choice. So I'm going to choose 16.9, and then the number of the images, I need 2 images. I cannot go further because of I'm on a free version of this. So all you need to do is to come here, and then you choose the model that you will suit your images. So there are lots of models that you can just choose from, is 6 of them. So you can just go through them and see which one is actually suitable for your own pictures. So I'm gonna just choose this one, Flux One Sensational. So when I come here to submit the task, so you click, and then you just wait for some few seconds. So this is our image. So look how beautiful it is. It's consistent. All you need to do after you got your first image, you come here on these 3 dots, click on it. Okay, then after that you can just click on the image, and then you come on this seat. So you need to copy the seat, and then you go back. You come here on these advanced settings, and then all you need to do is to click on this fixed seat. Then you're gonna add the seat that you just copied. Okay, so if you have a negative prompt, you can also give a negative prompt on this box. So all you need to do is to go back here by clicking on it, and then you bring the next prompt. So I'm gonna go to ChatGPT and get my second prompt, copy, and then go to Puclumen, and then you come here to describe your image. I'm gonna put the new prompt, and then I come here to enter and submit the task. Click on it, and then your image will actually come here after some few seconds. As you can see, here are the results. Some of the images are having some mistakes. As you can see here, look, this looks like a two legs, but it's supposed to be 1 because there is another one on this. You can just redo the images again, and then it will give you the right image. So let's just bring another let's paste another prompt, and then we're gonna change the dress. Let's say she's wearing a blue dress. Okay, she wear a blue dress and white sneakers, hugging a fluffy white dog. Okay, so let's say she's wearing, let's just change the dress code. She wears a blue short with white t-shirt. Okay, so let's just give it a try. Okay, as you can see, it brought the very same image, even though the clothing is different, but it's still giving me 2 legs on this one. So all you need to do is to use the magic eraser to erase this extra leg. So the image are actually super great. So you can just use the other tools in order for you to rectify the mistakes that the AI is actually creating. So all in all, the image are actually perfect. I love this. It's just created what I actually want. So we can just see if it will create. So maybe let's just use another prompt. So we're gonna just paste the prompt here. Let's just give it a try. So these are the results for the other prompt. So look how beautiful they are. They look perfect. So this is just an easy way of creating consistent character using a Puclumen. I hope this tutorial has helped you, and then we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.